Are you passionate about making a difference, but tired of hitting the fundraising wall with traditional methods? Imagine a world where your community actively invests in your mission instead of chasing venture capitalists. This is where the magic of a DAO comes in. A DAO, or Decentralized Autonomous Organization, is simply a community-owned movement built around a shared purpose. Cindy here at the Entrepreneur Things, and we're reframing entrepreneurship so that growth and well-being go hand in hand. We teach everything entrepreneurial, including technology, tools, mindset, and wellness to support purpose-driven entrepreneurs to keep your feet moving. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 essentials every purpose-driven DAO needs to get off the ground and launch your own purpose-driven DAO. No tech jargon or heavily finance talk. Just clear steps to help you rally your community, fund your vision, and avoid burnout. Think of this as a roadmap, creating a regenerative, impact-driven organization with your people at the heart. Let's get real. You're considering launching a DAO, but what does it really take? Here are 5 essentials to get off the ground, and no, coding isn't one of them. Essential number 1, clarify your vision and purpose. Every great journey starts with a clear destination. So before you invite anyone on board, you need a solid vision and purpose. Purpose-driven design means building your DAO around a meaningful cause. So ask yourself, what big change do I want to create? Write down your mission in 1 of 2 sentences using inspiring language. Make it a rallying call that sparks excitement. For example, imagine you want to launch a sustainable wellness brand. Your purpose could be sharing accessible, bite-sized knowledge to help busy families choose and maintain healthier habits. This clear mission is your North Star. It will guide every decision and attract the people who share your passion. Think of it like planting a seed in fertile soil. A strong purpose gives your DAO roots so it can grow tall and steady. When you're crystal clear on your mission, everything else falls into place. Number 2, build and empower your community. A DAO is nothing without its people. This step is all about community ownership. So we start by gathering a small group of enthusiastic supporters who believe in your mission. Reach out to friends, followers, or even your mailing list. Anyone excited by your vision. Encourage open conversation. Listen to ideas and find out what they care about. Make them feel like partners, not just donors. Imagine you're hosting a potluck dinner and each guest brings something to the table. Maybe ideas, energy, or resources. Similarly, early members of your DAO contribute their time, skills, or small funding. As they join, let them help shape the plans. Acknowledge every contribution and give thanks like highlighting members in a shout out or tag. When people feel part of something bigger, their passion fuels the DAO. It becomes their project as much as it is yours. Number 3, governance. Let's talk about structure. Now, governance might sound complicated, but it just means how decisions get made. Keep it simple and transparent. Start with a clear rule book or charter that explains how voting or approvals happen. You don't need a lawyer, just write down the basics in plain language, such as who can vote, how are proposals approved, how are team leaders or communities chosen. Post it somewhere where everyone can see it, like a public document or website, so it's easy for all members to reference. Think of it like setting rules for a friendly game. If everyone knows the rules and agrees to them, then the game runs smoothly. For example, maybe each member gets one vote on big ideas, or you form a small trusted team to vet proposals. Use easy tools. Many DAO platforms use simple online polls or voting apps, so anyone can join in decision making. Clarity builds trust. When everyone understands how the DAO operates, members feel confident and engaged, not confused and left out. Number 4. Let's talk money, or money like some people do. One of the biggest appeals of a DAO is finding new funding paths. The idea is let the community members contribute funds or resources to support the mission and manage those funds together. This is where a regenerative model comes in, one that nourishes your mission over time. Consider a DAO as a treasury, your communal piggy bank, but members might pay a small fee, buy membership tokens, or contribute a portion of a project's earnings. For example, your sustainable wellness brand might sell wellness tokens that represent ownership in the mission. The money collected goes into a shared treasury. Then the community votes on how to use those funds, whether it's launching a new product, offering a new service, or providing an outreach program. The key is to ensure everyone benefits. If the project grows, so does the value for the members. Like an orchard, where everyone tends to the trees and enjoys the fruit. This is a cyclical approach, and it means that the DAO can keep funding new initiatives without burning out its leaders. It's sustainable because it's built together for the long haul. Number 5, stay engaged and adapt and grow. The final essential is about momentum and wellness. Yes, seriously, without boundaries and burnout prevention, even DAOs collapse. A DAO thrives when it's active and evolving. So keep your community engaged with regular updates, celebrate small wins, and welcome new ideas. And if something isn't working, pivot. Together, listen to your members, iterate on your plans, and stay true to your purpose. Thank you for watching. And think of a DAO like a garden. A garden needs watering, weeding, and sunlight. If you ignore it, the weeds take over. Similarly, nurture your DAO by encouraging collaboration and sharing responsibilities. Hold a weekly check-in or send a quick newsletter so everyone stays connected. When members share tasks and innovate together, it prevents any single person from burning out. Above all, remember why you started. Keep your purpose at the center of everything. This is purpose-driven design in action. Every step you take, every rule you set aligns with your vision. With a clear purpose, a passionate community, and continuous care, your DAO can flourish into a vibrant, self-sustaining ecosystem. There you have it. 5 essentials to kickstart your DAO journey. You have the vision. You know how to bring the community together. You can set simple governance design and design a regenerative funding model. Add wellness and keep growing. The path is in front of you. If you're ready to take the next step, I'd love to keep supporting your mission. Join our email for free tips and resources. Or for deeper support, if you're mission-driven, collaborative, and ready to contribute as much as you gain, become a founding member of our community. The link will be in the description below. Every week, I share simple guides and inspiration to help purpose-driven leaders like you make an impact without burning out. Remember, the future of funding is collaborative, and it's waiting for visionary leaders like you. Your community is ready to join you. Let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and check out some of the other videos on DAO. It just kind of gives you an explanation.